Kenyan driving license converting in Germany.
Karibu.
Asante sana, ni mahali pazuri sana pa kusoma, patulivu, unajisikia uko nyumbani kabisa, so inakufanya unakuwa na uwepesi wa kujua kusoma na kushika yale mambo unafundishwa. Asanteni.
Sawa.
Sana.
Sawa. How do you find now that place in the first moment? How you emphasize it?
I feel very comfortable here. It's a very nice place for learning. It's cool and you feel at home. First of all, it's important to feel at home, to feel comfortable, so for easy learning. So I'm hoping for there.
Yes, okay. So hello my friends in Africa, in Mombasa, in Mtwapa. Last time we have met this in Mtwapa in our motoring school as well. And now, a few weeks later, she is now in Frankfurt in our motoring school. And in the moment she will get informed how she can transfer her Kenyan driving license in a German European driving license. And also steps I will show you in the next videos coming up. And here I want to show you first our classroom. No, come here. Go ahead. That's okay. So I can show you, and that is our standard. We have our European standard. You see, we have a clean and proper classroom. Behind a big screen, a whiteboard, and so the students feel very good when they stay here. They have the best conditions for learning. And there we have our coffee bar, so, and our smart office girl. So I want to explain you exactly what you have to do in Germany. Basically, you have to pass a test in theoretical test and you have to pass a practical test. And Germans normally they are forced to take minimum 28 lessons on theoretical lessons, 45 minutes per hour each hour. And you have to take minimum 12 driving lessons by night, highway and things like that. And overall they will have about between 30 and 40 driving lessons. Each driving license takes 45 euro. 45 euro here in Germany you have to pay. And I want to show you now to avoid a lot of fees, a lot of time. If you do it exactly in that way, I show you here in that video. So the first thing is that we make driving for free. That means we want that before you start, doesn't matter if you are local or if you are just abroad in Europe, before we start to offer you an offer. It's German English. My English is perfect.
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah, okay. Not bad, okay, thank you. So we will do with you one lesson for free. In that lesson we can exactly analyze, exactly to check how Germany is very important to use all those features, and otherwise you will never pass a test. And now I will do with Liz that driving for free. And you see now, meanwhile we have more cars here, so. Okay. Get in. So I will show you in one of my next videos how you can learn online all quiz questions. In German you can pass in English quiz questions, so it's not a problem to get learned German in every case. So in that I will show you how you can learn online, even if you are now living at your hometown in Africa, in Mombasa, Mtwapa, doesn't matter. We can provide you that service just now. You can learn online, and once a week, me or other driving instructors, English-speaking driving instructors, we will be online and we can assist you, explain you all quiz questions which are necessary to pass in Germany at the German TÜV your driving or your theoretical lessons. Okay, we say goodbye to all, to Mombasa, to Africa, to Kenya, to everywhere. Goodbye, and we see us. Mtwapa. Oh. So, and we will see us soon in one of my next videos. Bye bye.